up, YouTube? You know it's your boy Dirty D, and today I gotta tell you a little something about this old Mustang that I'm selling. So before we get anything, I need you to go hit that like button for me. Go and smack that bit one time. And then also, if you're new, you need to go and hit that subscribe button down there. You know, it's a big red triangle, rectangular type thing, whatever. But go and hit that up, and we finna get into the video. Some of y'all may know about my old Mustang. It was a 2000 V6, so it was a 3.8 liter, and yeah, it's for sale. So right now, it is down because I don't have a rear end for it, but the rear end is going in shortly. So as soon as I find a buyer or whatever, I'm gonna have that put in, and it's gonna be running like brand new. We're going through a little bit of the specs and all the options that I have for the car, because I feel like I have so many. I feel like I'm a dealer because I can give you different kind of rims and stock rims and all that. All right, but anyway, we're gonna get into that too. First, what's gonna bring you the most attention, because I already know that that's gonna be what drives you here, well, to pick up the car, is the 22-inch DCenti Rims on there. They have brand new tires because it went down like 2, maybe 3 months after. Let me turn this off. Hold on. Hey, you, be quiet. Along with the, I didn't finish that. All right, so the 22-inch rims, yeah, they come with brand new tires on them basically because it went down like 2 months, maybe 3 months after I had purchased them. I bought them in December. The car went down. It went down in March, so it was about 3 months. So it has brand new tires on it. And if you don't want those tires, well, I mean, if you do, you can have them with the stock tires, but like the price, of course, is gonna go up. What? So if you don't want the tires, you know, I can option that out, or whatever. Basically, you can have the stock tires, and then you can have the rims. Another thing, it comes with Rexim Halo. Wait, is it Rexim? I think it may be Rexim, but it comes with halo lights. I also have the stock housing for them too, as well. So if you want that as well, I can option that in for you too. Of course, the price will go up or go down depending on which one you choose or whatever. Like I said, I have a bunch of options. I also have smoked tail lights. I got them from the same place. They're all pretty much brand new or whatever. I don't have, for that, however, I do not have the stock rear tail lights, or the tail lights, the ones that are on the car or whatever. If you don't want it, you're gonna have to go buy some more, but whatever. Plus, it was painted about 3 years ago. I also had the trans replaced about a year and a half ago. It's a good transmission. It shifts fine. It runs perfect. It also has 212s subwoofers in the back. It's I forgot what brand, but it has subwoofers with the bass knob. And then if you want to take the subs out, we can take the subs out. But if you don't, we can leave them in or whatever. It doesn't have the stock exhaust. I don't have that aftermarket exhaust. I think it may be Flowmasters. I'm pretty sure it's Flowmasters because it sounds like a Flowmasters exhaust. So if you want that, you can, it's coming on the car, so you can't really take it off unless because I don't have the the stock white pipe for it. You're a hoe. I also have a cold air intake for the car that is not on the car currently, but I have it. You're a fat. Like I was saying before I was really interrupted, I have a cold air intake that can be put on the car or whatever if you want or not, because but it's not on the car right now, so I have it at home. And yeah, lastly, it has a clean title, so you don't have to worry about trying to get it, whatever you call it, repaired, or I don't remember what I don't know. What? But that's about it, y'all. So if you want a 2000 Mustang V6 with a bunch of options and you live in the Alabama area, let me know, because your boy will be selling it to you. You can have your own Mustang. If you want the car or want to email me about like the price and stuff, hit me up at dirtydeeprod@gmail.com. It's down here at the right here and in the description. So just let me know. I'm trying to get this car out of my driveway. Well, not out of my driveway, out of my grandma's driveway. And yeah, okay, just hit me up. But it's your boy Dirty D, and you know I'm out. Peace. Wait, you thought I was gonna let you go. I need you to go hit that like button and subscribe and share if you want to let other people know. And there'll probably also be an ad going up on Facebook soon. So wait for that. But it's your boy Dirty D, and I'm out. Peace.